This is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course of Python. See, in the last lecture, we had seen this program, and the problem that we faced was when we were printing the sentences, the lines, they were not coming in different, they were not being printed on the different lines. The sentences were not being printed in the different lines.
This video is brought to you by OppyPy's Academy.
So what we can do is, we can do one thing. At the time of writing, we can write like str1 is containing the sentence str1 plus /n. So that will be printed on. Otherwise, a write statement, what does it do is, it prints at the same line, but now it will print in the next line. str1 will be printed, then a line will be left, and after that, when the next input will come, that will be printed onto the next line. So when we will print fobj.seek 0, 0, 2 arguments, as I have told you in the previous lecture, that will take the file pointer to the beginning of the file. Or after that, we are applying this loop for var in fobj. So it will pick up the values one by one, and when it will print all these sentences, all these lines, they will be printed on different lines. So because why? Because at the time of writing, /n was suffixed. Control Shift F10. Let me give the value. Students are good. Now I want to end. I will press end. 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 Now you can see because first time I gave end, it was not terminated because I gave the space also. Okay, so students are, they are good, all these are, they are getting printed onto the next line, because at the time of writing we used fobj dot write str1 plus /n.